Hey everyone, welcome back. Is double tapping in Meowdoku placing a cat in the wrong cell or not registering at all, costing you hearts on moves you did not actually mean to make? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings and then accessibility. Go to touch after that and check that touch accommodations are touch turned off. Since this accessibility feature changes how iOS interprets taps and double taps and can interfere with fast double tap inputs in the game like Meowdoku. If that's already off, check your screen for any cracks, scratches, or a poorly fitted screen protector near the area where you're tapping. Since physical screen issues are a common and overlooked cause of misregistered taps in precision games, clean your screen thoroughly with a soft, dry cloth since finger oil buildup can also cause taps to register inconsistently. If taps are inaccurate, force close Meowdoku from your recent apps, then go to settings again, then go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps, find Meowdoku, and then tap offload the app. After that, reinstall it fresh from App Store. Since a touch input bug tied to specific app versions is also possible and gets cleared with a fresh reinstall. All you gotta do is check touch accommodations is off, clean your screen, and offload and reinstall if taps are still misregistering. Your double taps land correctly, and that's it. Subscribe.